Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mardhotillah Laila. I'm from 7B class English department. Honorable to Dr. Murti Ayu Wijayanti, MPD, as a lecturer of seminar on English language teaching subject. In this video, I'm going to present my research proposal. The title is The Implementation of Video to Improve Student Skill Writing in Procedure Text at the second semester of the 9th grade of Junior High School to Sumur in the academic year 2021 to 2022. Chapter 1 Introduction. Research background. Writing is one of the language skills in English. It is from communication to express idea on paper. According to Mardhotillah, Rita, and Usman, states writing is an activity that people do to share idea or information they have. The problem which the researcher found there are: first, the student difficult to understand the meaning of the words. Second, the student had difficulty to arrange step by step on procedure text. Third, the student ability in writing with good spelling is poor. And the last is the student interest in writing is poor because they didn't have inspiration to start writing. To overcome the student problem, the researcher used video as a media to teach. Media is one of tools that apply in the teaching or learning process. Video is kind of multimedia that defined as technology products that present constant movement of sophisticated image, moving picture, animated picture, or moving text accompanied by audio or sound effect. Video made the student interesting to write procedure text and help the student understand the material to write procedure text. Research question. Based on the research background above, there are two problems of this study. How is the implementation of video to improve students' skill writing in procedure text at the second semester of the 9th grade of Junior High School to Sumur in academic year 2021 to 2022? Is there any significant improvement in student writing in procedure text by using video? And next is research objective. Based on the research question above, there are two objectives of this research. The first is to describe the effect of video as media teaching writing skill in procedure text at the second semester of the 9th grade of Junior High School to Sumur in academic year 2021 to 2022. Second is to find out the improvement of student writing skill in procedure text through the video. Research significant. The writer hopes the finding of this study will be useful for the first for students. The student who have problem in writing English text, especially procedure text, can try to use tutorial video as media for learning. For English teacher, if tutorial video have effects on student writing of procedure text, English teacher may use this media to take the student writing of procedure text better. Next is for other researcher, this study may contribute to the further researcher who will conduct an experiment with the same media, but with a different language skill. Chapter 2 Literature Review. The first is writing skill. According to Brown, state the process of composing written text as the result of thinking, drafting, and revising that require specialist skill. Firstly, students have to think of the topic or theme that they are going to write. Next, they can generate the idea by making a draft or their writing, and finally, students can organize and make the revision for the final product. Next is aspect of writing. According to Strait, Pulverness, and Williams, writing involves two sub-skills. They are accuracy and having a message. Accuracy means using correct forms of language. Writing accurately also involves spelling correctly, forming letters correctly, writing legibly, punctuating correctly, using correct layouts, choosing the right vocabulary, using grammar correctly, joining sentence correctly, and using paragraph correctly. Next is procedure text. According to Anderson and Carey, explain that procedure is a piece of text that tells the reader or listener how to do something. According to Larson, argue that procedural text is text which gives instruction on how to do something. Procedure text is commonly an instruction to do something which contains an explanation about the material, steps, and results. The purpose of procedure text is to tell the reader how something is done through sequence of step by step. Next is the video as media teaching. According to Tomalin, video made children enjoy language learning with the video. Video creates an attractive, enjoyable learning environment. Video is an attractive way of studying body language because the video consists of action, so the student can learning about body language based on the action of video. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. The first is research design. The type of research in this study is a qualitative research model classroom, action research, or CAR. According to Arikunto, suggests that classroom action research is an observation of learning activities in the form of an action is given by the teacher or by direction of the teacher's student. Next is research site and participant. The population of this research, there are 9 grade students of junior high school to Sumur. There are 35 students in the class, consists of 21 females and 14 males. Next is data analysis technique. The data analysis process begins by examining all available data from various sources. There are the test technique, observation, interview, and documentation. And activities in analyzing qualitative data is a reduction of the data. Next is, and the last, data collection technique. The data in this study were collected by researchers through the test technique, observation, interview, and documentation. Okay, that's all of my presentation about research proposal. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.